another video, and today I'm with my brother James, and I have an old computer that my poppy had, and so he gave it to us to take apart and show you guys. So today we're going to be talking about how to put together a computer. So enjoy. Okay, so some of the parts are, this is the battery, this is the motherboard right here. These are the memory cards. Oh. And then over here, this is the fan.
This is the brain.
Yeah, it's the brain. Yes, good job.
These are the screws.
Yeah, I think they know, James. Okay, and that's some of the parts. And so we're gonna be showing you guys where you put them and stuff. So if you guys come over here, come over here. See the motherboard? See, if you come over here, see these, where are they? See these little, see these inputs? On your computer, if you have a computer, sometimes you will see some of these inputs. And so, when you put the motherboard in, if you come over here, bring it over here, all the sockets and the inputs, that's where they all come out from. So, first,
Let's put the
show you
motherboard
guys.
in
Yep.
first.
So first we're gonna put in the motherboard, and so here we go. Okay, guys. So before we put the motherboard in, we gotta get the most important part, the brain. So to get the brain, you're gonna want to take this up, open this, and if you come over here, see this corner right here? That's going to match up with this. So that if you put it like that, it should just go in right like that. You're gonna put it like that. This might be really strong, but you gotta do it. And then just tuck it under there. Now, and then next we're gonna show you how to put these in.
Hi, now it's just me, my brother's over there, and I'm putting the memory in.
Memory cards.
So, if you got extra chips, just the extra things are for the blacks, but most important is to put the whites in first. So, let's start with this one. And then if you kind of just like this, it can be heavy, like it is right now. And it can just pretty much go in itself. So now we got the bigger one, but it might be easier, it might be heavier. We don't know yet. So let's put this.
Turn around, James. The other way. Yeah.
Through here.
Yep, just like that.
And then just close it. And we're doing this side. Okay.
There you go. Push it
Is
down.
that in?
Yeah, that's it. It's in.
Is that it?
Okay.
No, that's not
Wait.
in. Sorry guys, that was not in. Sorry.
Yeah, it just clicked out. Who knows? It's an old computer.
Very old.
Very, very old.
And then more things. Okay.
Hear that click? That's what you should hear when you
The
put
other
it in.
side, James. Push it down.
Right.
Right, Jackson, give him a hand there. Just push it down on the corner.
You know, push it. Got it.
And the other side.
This one.
Come on, you got it.
Right there.
Okay, good.
Got it.
Good.
So now we got the memory cards in. Next to the now to the next step. We got the battery, but before we start the battery, this thing right here, and there's the BIOS. That's what controls the input and output, and the mouse and all that, and the keyboard. So now we're gonna put in the battery. The battery keeps all the storage and stuff like that. So all you have to do is click it in. Once you hear a click, simple as that. Now to the next part.
Hey! So now we're putting the motherboard in. If you already didn't know, this is called the motherboard. So you really do not want to hold it like this. We want to hold it like going over like slowly. And it's in. So, try making sure you make everything like line up. Just like I did. So, when you come over here, you can see we got everything in. Now, Jackson's going to put the screws in.
And make sure it's nice and in. We got the other hole over here.
Look. Got it? Can you move the screw?
No, fine. Guys, there's a little bit of like not much space there. If you guys can see, it's gonna be a little bit hard. Actually, it might be easier because like I have smaller hands than grown-ups. Like, yeah.
I got the best
Okay.
hands.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the fan. The fan keeps the processor from overheating, or it keeps them cool. So now we're gonna put this in right now. So this goes like that. It goes in back there.
So make sure these little things on the fan gets in those big things.
Okay, so now that that's in there, this, see this thing right here? This plugs into the motherboard right there. Oh, by the way, we already screwed in the screws. It's good.
This is the thing that makes the power turn on that plugs into the motherboard. So you gotta look at it. So these things should get in there. This is really tricky.
Other way, James. Other way. That way. Yeah.
Oh. Sorry. This is really tricky. I'm trying to go very slow so I get my for you guys.
That's good, James. That's
Did I get
perfect.
it
Good.
Okay,
Perfect.
so I'm going to put this on.
What's that, James? Modem.
Modem that helps electronics.
For faxes.
Faxes. I do not know what I'm saying, so sorry. Okay, so this.
Put that in there like that. There you go. Just like the memory, see?
Down there.
There you go. Perfect. That's good enough, dude. That's good enough. Perfect. Good job.
So then this closes.
It's called the heat sinker, and so it helps the It's called the heat sink. It helps the processor keep cool. So to put this, oh, by the way, we already put the bracket in. So because we did, yeah. So what you do is you put these corners in like that. Should slip in like that, and you're gonna fold it over here. And then I'm gonna get the screwdriver, and see these two nails right here? Screws. You're gonna wanna screw that in, just like cake. And see you guys when we're done screwing.
My brother got done screwing in that thing, so now I'm just gonna put the DVD drive in.
While he's putting that in, today's sponsor is
Dell.
If we can get it in.
Boo Dell.
No, don't say boo, Dell. They're our sponsors, James. Why'd you say boo?
I'm just kidding.
There you go, Dan. Push it in. There we go.
He
Perfect.
always lies. Okay, now we're gonna put in the hard drive. This is to keep the storage. And this is my Poppy's old storage for all his work. So you're just gonna put it in like this. Just slop it in like that. And this one we're not using because we don't have another hard drive. So we're just gonna put this in like that. And you're done.
So now I'm gonna put the face in. So the face goes like this because there's like literally nothing for that. So the face will go like this.
Bottom in first. Bottom first.
Oh wait, sorry. Always put your bottom in first. The bottom in first. Sorry, why am I messing up? Okay. So then you should hear a click, and it should be like this. So then you got this in. And
This is the 110 power supply that powers all this. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put it in. See this thing down here? This should clip onto that. So I'm gonna move that over there,
Okay, other way. There you
other
go.
way. And then you gotta put that in like this. Make sure you got it on. And click it right back.
he does not have it on.
And yes, I do. And now it's in. Now I'm gonna screw these in here to get it in. So if you come over here, there are 4 slots right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if they're not right on it, then you don't have this in correctly. So I have it right lined up. And so this should come forward more. And if it's not more forward, if it's not forward enough, and it just goes straight in, then you need to move it in much more further closer, so you can get the screws in. And
So now I'm putting this in because we got this all done. And the screws we got done. So now I'm going to put this on that does all the main power. Make sure you get it in very, very carefully. Make sure you're putting it in very slow. I gotta get it more and more. Okay, good. So now I got mine in. Now Jackson's gonna.
for some reason that made me hungry because it looked like waffles. Some reason we just had lunch, but I feel, doesn't it look like a waffle though? It looks so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in. This powers all the fans and stuff. And then, okay guys, so now we're gonna plug in all the stuff. But after this video, I'm gonna go get some waffles. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug in the hard drive first. We're gonna plug that in like just like that. Should go on. Come on. Okay, now it's on. This would be for another hard drive if we had one, but we don't. Okay, so now we're gonna come over here, and this plugs into the DVD player or anything, and this goes on the top part. So we're gonna put that in like that, and it's in. So now for the next part. Okay, so now we got this. So you're
What's
gonna,
that?
you might mess it up like So this one goes in the blue, right there, and then this comes over here. You're gonna want to put it in there, and then put it in that, just like cake. Bang!
What does that cable do?
It communicates.
Okay.
Now to Did's turn.
Okay, what are you doing, James?
So I'm putting this very simple
Uh-huh.
in there.
And
Done.
that's for the DVD?
And I got no clue what this does.
All done. Who's going to put the lid on?
Me. Okay, so now to put the lid on. So goes like that.
Lift it up.
So this should go like that because it has like a little gold thing there. So you're gonna want to put it in like that, and then over here, put it in. If it will go in. Sorry guys, it's just, and there you go. there's your computer. If you guys want more of this Alright, bye. Never mind. Okay, guys, so now we're here with the PC that we put together, and we got the, TV. And so we're going to be proving to you guys that it works. So right now we're going to turn it on for you, and you will see a bunch of stuff coming up on the screen. There you go. So now it is currently turned on. Not yet. Okay. So we don't have anything on here, and we don't have any operating system on it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put in the USB that has all stuff on it. I'm gonna plug it in and restart the computer. Turn it back on. Now when you see the Dell thing come up, I'm going to press F12. Okay. Okay, so so now it is doing its thing. Okay, so now we got this, and I'm going to, James, stop. So I'm going to use the keyboard and go down to USB device and press enter. And now it is starting up. And I'm going to press English because we're English. And I'm going to start
It's just Spanish.
Before we start, my brother, I'm going to explain what Lubuntu is. Lubuntu is
lightweight Ubuntu Linux operating system.
Lightweight
Ubuntu
Linux operator. Okay, so then I'm going to press start Ubuntu. Press enter. This might be a little bit slow because it's pretty old. Alright, here we go.
It's going fast.
It's doing pretty good for an old computer.
It's writing a lot. Oh, that's a lot of writing.
Now that's small. Alright, and now Lubuntu is now starting up. Yay! Okay, so when this starts up, I'm going to show you, just to prove more, I'm going to show you one of my videos that I've done. I'm just going to let this do its thing until that happens. Now we got the mouse. Okay, so now we got the mouse. Okay, and to show you that this is actually real, I'm going to go into Firefox and I'm going to show you one of my videos.
In case if you haven't saw one of them yet.
Now, let's let this get... there's a lot of Firefoxes.
And if you don't subscribe, Santa won't bring you presents for Christmas.
Oh my god, that's not true. There we go, YouTube. Okay, so now I'm going to go to YouTube. Okay, so now YouTube is now starting up. And if you guys haven't seen my videos, I'm going to show you how you get done. So once you get to YouTube, you're going to want to go to search. And I'm going to put it in. Whoop. Jericho 360.
Even that computer knows what that is.
So we press enter. And it should come up on this.
It's 1907.
Okay, this is really good. Is it? All right, there we go. There's some of my videos. I'm going to show you one. Okay, if this ever happens to your computer, just press the X. Okay, so I'm going to go down to the J. Right here, Jeremy Mathers. Right here, 31 videos. So I'm going to go here. And I could do, my brother wants to do the skiing, so this is my brother's
First day.
first day skiing.
I'm pretty good for
There
my
you go.
first day.
I'll show you part of this because this is 10 minutes. James, stop touching it. If this is really glitchy, just... James. Sorry guys. This is glitching. Alright guys, so since this is an old computer, it might be glitching. But you guys can now tell that this is real, and I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and tap that
And
notification.
don't forget, if you don't subscribe, Santa won't bring you presents for Christmas.
Okay, bye.